Alright, howdy folks, Phil here, next 72 hours coming to you from home with a cheap if not free and easy look at emergency water storage as a solution. As we know, prepping can tend to be expensive at times, and we also know that water is an absolutely essential part of any disaster preparedness kit or emergency preparedness plan. You need at least 3 litres of water per person per day, and you also need to consider any pets or children or any cooking that you're going to do on top of that. I've taken to speaking with my local neighbours and getting them to pass on any used water bottles or soft drink bottles for me to reuse. Remember, you can't use milk bottles because you can't effectively clean them and you could get sick. Once I've got those bottles, I give them a bit of a rinse out, take them down to a local park filling station here, and then fill them up. I store them in a cool, dark area, and then they are good to go when disaster strikes. If you don't have a local watering station, you could just use water from the tap, or you could use a home filter maybe that you keep in the fridge, for example. Remember to turn those over. I like to turn them over once a year, and you can use that water for something else like watering the gardening or drinking it, and then you're good to go with fresh water for when disaster strikes. Until the next time, keep safe and keep prepared. Cheers.